We're going to behave each other. Today we gonna pray. Sabi, source is tamon, but you know, this is we going to pray, go to space. Did you see you already prayed that? Just copy, okay? Okay. I get some money. There are people getting money. Guys, okay. We are straight good. Next, we go into the app. Wait. Okay, we are flying. Okay. Anyways, let's go to the steaks. Steaks, fakes. Did you have? Okay, this. I have a content money. People has many money pa. Oh, okay. Anyways, here, Jude, I'll go. Actually, I'm here. Just go there. Wait. Oh yeah. Actually, I come back there. Where's my hair? I said, where's my hair? Okay. Okay, you're here. Okay. Wait, I fall help. You always not una me. No. Okay. Anyways, wait. Sorry. They're so crazy. They're not una me. Actually, they're so crazy. Don't always push me! Stop! Ayan na, stuck na tayo. Sabi ko na nga kayo eh. Ay nako. Ay nako, bakit mo kayo ni Papa Uda? Ay nako, sige na. So, this all don't tell me. You're so crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're 4. Actually, don't pushing me. We are many. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Stop. I need comment to more. Stop keeping pushing me. Okay. If there is not no rocket, make sure you will speed one and for move the full. Did you see, guys? The rocket ship is like this. Excuse me, right, robot people. Okay. Okay. Okay, I just opened. Go. Wait. 1, 2, wait. We're 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ako! Ako una ako. Ay! Ayun na. Dali. Boko papahuyogi. Okay. Pasakay na ako. Kuwit ng kayo eh. Kuwit ng tao. Parang si Periok Eo. Hipo ako push eh. Bis na. I don't have enough fuyos. O, iba tayo puta ko. Diyag is. Tika. Kaya. Is Mars, Moon, Venus, Mercury, and sa Mars Station. So, punta tayo sa Moon. Tapos, punta sa Mars. Tapos, bake sa Earth. Tapos, punta sa tapos, bake sa Station. Tapos, punta sa Venus. Okay, please you. Okay, wait ko yan. Yo, stop keep praying that. It is getting broken. Okay. Let's go! Bye-bye, Earth. Did you see what our solar system? So, unit HP and Mercury is just the game on real life only. Alright, bye-bye, Earth! Oh, yeah. Oh, there's Moon. Where's Moon? Oh, there. This is dark planet. You're not going there. On your enormous side. Did you see a station? This is a station. Hi. Oh, hi. Okay. Ano ba tayo? Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, yes, go up. There's the elevator is too fast. Excuse. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Go to moon, okay? Yes, go to the moon. Okay, wait. Okay, go to the moon. Wait, here. To go to the moon. Okay, 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 okay. Guys, ready? Go to moon. Ready? No, people. Sure, are you sure? Bye-bye, Earth. Moon. I will check a kabaya. I don't want there. It is dark. I said it is dark. Let's go to check. On moon. You're sure? Wait, let's go to find the normal spot. Because the dark moon is here. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. Did I kill a Kochiro? Go down. Nice. Do you have visit on board? Next Mars. I want to check side of the moon. Okay. You actually did great job. It is fairy. So you want to see the side of the moon. Don't make it be mysterious. Okay, anyways. Let's go to the Mars. Wait, okay, wait. This is too crazy. Nag-iwan naman ako. Ay, naku, ya tao dyan. Ay, naku, ya tao. Okay. Wait. When he's come back. He is too far away there. I just konti. Maybe check that. Okay. Next planet and Mars. Okay. Let's get away the rocket ship. Oh, there. Okay. The rings. Okay. Let's go to the Mars. Okay, biggest. So, yes, go to check. Okay. Very close. Always small. Okay, we are yapit na. Alright, we are here. Wait, let me go out. Okay, so next, let's go back at the station. Where is backing spot? Here. Haha. Oh no, we are going back there. Okay. Nice.
Hi. Hey bro.
So this is the spot.
Hey.